Good morning, friends. It's been a long time since I've done a live. Not a live. Hi. Hi, baby. Hi. So, yeah, come on. Oh, the pussycat's got you. Get inside, sir. The pussycat scared you? Yeah. Where is he? Right here. Fresh one. Is scaring them. But this is my Wednesday morning. They're back. The little one, she's like, what is that? What is that? Yeah, I know. Yeah. She's fresh here. Let's see what's going on. She's just curious like they are. There, right here. Right there. They're curious about each other. What are you doing? What are you doing? Yeah. What are you doing? Are you curious? Very curious, aren't you? Yeah. It doesn't want your peanuts, I could tell you that. Hi. Go ahead. She's not going to hurt you. That's a little one. She lost her spots. Where's Mama? Is Mommy eating? Go ahead. Go ahead. She's like, do I do it? Don't I? How are you doing? She's still looking at the cat. What are you doing? Yeah, what are you doing? Hi. Hi, Mama. Hi. That's what we've got on Wednesday. Oh, don't put your leg down. Put your leg down. Come on. Come on. Oh, she doesn't like him. This is the drama on Wednesday. Take care, friends. I'm getting him inside. Come on, come on. Come on, let's go. Come on, come on, come with me. Come on. You're scaring them. You scare dogs, too. You're a toughie. We're in, and here's, guess who?